Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you a cursor or Claude Gemini alternative IDE which supports all these features. AugmentCode.com, this is the actual platform. If you go to the browser, so you can see it can generate code, auto completion, everything it can do. So it's similar to Cursor, Claude and Gemini. So it's a VS Code extension. You can install it as a VS Code extension. And if you go to the pricing, they do offer the free plan as well, and up to 50 user messages, unlimited edits and completions. And their pro plan start with $50 per month. And what you can do, you can go to your VS Code, simply install this extension, Augment Code. This is the platform right here. You will see this is a verified extension. So if you click it, this is their verified extension, almost used by 406,000 developers. So it's a simple alternative to GitHub Copilot Cursor alternative. So just install this extension. After installing it, this extension will be activated. And once it is activated, you just need to sign in. Click the sign in button and just continue with your Google account. So once you sign up, you now will be able to use this right inside your VS Code. So click on sign up and start coding. So now it will redirect you to the VS Code. So right here in this, you will see this chat prompt, and your subscription will expire in 13 days. So now it gives you the free trial for 13 days and then it will expire, and then you just need to upgrade if you want to. Now simply go to the file, whatever file you are working right here. Simply open the chat prompt inside your agent mode. This is right in the agent mode. So what you can even attach files here automatically. This will select the open file. So it will simply say index code, allow Augment to make tailored code suggestions and explain common practices. So here you can simply say index code base. So it will everything your indexing will start right here, and now you will be receiving suggestions according to your own code. So right here, what we can do, remove all this code and generate and write the image to PDF app. So you can remove all this code. So I just simply ask a question right here. So now what it will do, it will start generating the code for you. So I will say approve. So now it will create a new file. So it is also having the support if you want to do auto completion as well. So it will also just suggest you suggestions as you can see. So this is the extension. Definitely install this Augment. It's similar to GitHub Copilot, Cursor, Claude, and Gemini. It's a great alternative, and you can try this in the chat mode. So Here you can ask any application that you want to develop. So you can see it generated all this. So definitely check out this AugmentCode. I think it removed all the files. So definitely check out, guys, this AugmentCode website. It's similar to GitHub Copilot, Claude, and Cursor, and I will be seeing you in the next video.